the solution to this example, we've got 3 employees. They've done our Excel skills assessment, and there's a new employee here. We just want to see how this person fits in with the others. So we're going to create a radar chart. So firstly, we're going to highlight the data, go insert, and under here we've got the radars. So I'm going to go click here. And if you look here, we're told that we want the axes to actually be the skill sets. So you could try and change the data, but instead rather go and under design click switch row and column, and it's done for you immediately. Let's just make it a bit bigger so we can see it a bit better. And you'll see when we've got this, the axis goes to 9, from 0 to 9. Now this will change depending on the numbers typed in, and we don't want that. We always want it to go from 0 to 10. So I'm going to click on the right click on the axes, format axes, and I'm going to tell the minimum must always be 0. And when I type it in, it knows now it's always 0. Maximum must always be 10. You'll see there's that. So now we can clearly see that employee 1, 2, and 3, it looks like the new employee is better in some areas, but not as strong in other areas. So we now know where we should focus our training.